Imagine walking through a barren landscape, nothing but scorched earth and ashes around you. Now envision that same area, but instead teeming with life, lush greenery, and a variety of species. How does a lifeless landscape transform into a thriving ecosystem? The answer lies in the fascinating process of ecological succession. Ecological succession is nature's way of healing and regenerating. It's the process by which an ecosystem changes and develops over time. Picture it as nature's own version of a construction project, but instead of bricks and mortar, it uses plants, insects, birds, and countless other organisms. Scene script. Picture a patch of bare land. Over time, this land doesn't remain barren. The first to arrive are the pioneers, the tough, hardy species of plants like lichens and mosses that can survive in harsh conditions. They lay the groundwork for others to follow, by breaking down rock into soil and adding organic matter. This stage of ecological succession is called the primary succession. As these pioneers alter the environment, it becomes more hospitable for other species. Perhaps some grasses start to grow, followed by shrubs and small trees. Each new group of plants makes it easier for the next group to survive, a process known as facilitation. In this way, life builds upon life, each new arrival transforming the environment and paving the way for the next. Fast forward a few decades, and the once barren land has transformed into a mature forest, teeming with a diverse array of plant and animal life. This is the climax community, the final and most stable stage of succession. But what if a fire rages through this forest, reducing it to ashes? Does it return to square one? Not quite. This is where secondary succession comes into play. Secondary succession happens after a disturbance like a fire or a hurricane. It's faster than primary succession because it starts with a base of already established soil. The seeds and spores lying dormant in the soil spring to life, and the cycle begins anew. So, to summarize, ecological succession is an incredible process of transformation. It begins with a barren or disturbed area, moves through stages of colonization by different groups of organisms, and eventually culminates in a stable, mature ecosystem. Primary succession starts from scratch, while secondary succession rebuilds after a disturbance. Ecological succession underscores the resilience and interconnectivity of life. It's a testament to nature's tenacity, its ability to heal, and to the intricate dance of cooperation and competition that drives life on Earth. So the next time you walk through a forest, take a moment to appreciate the journey that land has taken, from barren rock to thriving ecosystem. All thanks to the remarkable process of ecological succession. Let's delve deeper into the stages of ecological succession. It all begins with xeriseri, the initial stage where the barren land is colonized by crustose lichens. These lichens begin to grow and break down rock into soil in what we call the crustose lichen stage. As the soil develops, larger lichens start to grow in the foliose lichen stage, adding more organic matter to the soil. Soon, mosses begin to appear in the moss stage, further enriching the soil. This sets the stage for the herb stage, where herbs and grasses start to grow, adding diversity and further layers of life to the landscape. The shrub stage follows, with shrubs and small trees starting to grow, adding height and structure to the ecosystem. Finally, we reach the climax community in the forest stage, a mature forest teeming with diverse plant and animal life. From xeriseri to a mature forest, each stage plays a crucial role in the process of ecological succession, showing us the power of nature's resilience and its amazing capacity for growth and transformation.